Welcome to e-lesson on computerized axial tomography. Simply we can say that CAT. Upon completion of the topic, the student will be able to know about CAT scanner, its history, definition, state the need of CAT scanner, principle, working procedure and applications. CT scanner or CAT scanner diagram. The patient is lying on the table on gantry of YouTube. The CT scanner picture. The patient to be lie on the table. The table which moves inside of the gantry, where X-ray tube mounted on the gantry, whereas thousands of detectors arranged around the gantry in order to take the 2D picture, 2D slices. Meaning, CAT means computerized axial tomography scanner or computer tomography. History: CAT discovered by British physicist Godfrey Hounsfield in 1917. He got Nobel Prize in the year 1979. The CAT used as a clinical purpose. Definition: a technique combining X-rays and computer technology for visualization of internal organs and body structures. CAT is a technique combining X-rays and computer technology for visualization of internal organs and body structures. Tomography means view the patient from each section or slice from different angles. CT internal diagram picture we can see in the slide. The gantry consists of X-ray tube, where thousand detectors are arranged around the gantry. So the X-ray tube is movable around it. The patient to be lying in the tube. The grand tube. X-rays difference in intensity between the tissue type due to the difference in density of tissues. Density determines ability to observe X-rays. X-rays produce a 2D image of or 3D slice through the patient using a stationary X-ray source. X-rays produce a 2D image of 3D slice through the patient using stationary X-ray source. Whereas chromatography Chromatography, computer tomography produces a 2D image of a 2D slice through the patient using a rotating X-ray source. So the computer tomography having a rotating X-ray source. The X-ray source arranged on the gantry and thousands of detectors are arranged around the gantry. The patient lying on the table. You can see on the picture. The principle. The patient viewed from the different angles and two-dimensional picture can be obtained. Used as a multi-directional scanning of the object. Multiple data are collected. This data is used by the computer to reconstruct a pictorial representation. The principle: the patient is viewed from different angles and two-dimensional picture can be obtained. Used as a multi-directional scanning of the object. Multiple data are collected. This data is used by the computer to reconstruct a pictorial representation. State the need of CAT scanner. State need of CAT scanner. Your doctor may be recommend a CT scan to help diagnose muscle and bone disorders such as bone tumors and fractures. To detect and monitor diseases and conditions such as cancer, heart disease, lung nodules, and liver masses. The CAT need to monitor the effectiveness of certain treatments such as cancer treatment. Once I am repeating, need of CAT scanner. It needs to diagnose muscle and bone disorders such as bone tumors and fractures. To detect and monitor diseases and conditions such as cancer, heart disease, lung nodules, and liver masses. Monitor the effectiveness of certain treatments such as cancer treatment. Principle: patient is viewed from different angles and two-dimensional picture can be obtained. Used as a multi-directional scanning of the object. Multiple data are collected. This data is used by the computer to reconstruct a pictorial representation. The picture you can see in the slide, that is computer X-ray tomography, or simply we can say that CT scanner. Here the X-ray tube is mounted on the gantry. The X-ray source is rotatable, where 1,000 detectors are arranged around the gantry opposite to the X-ray source. The movement of X-ray tube and detectors are always opposite in order to take the in order to examine the subjects or patient. The detectors, the multiple detectors are connected to the computer. The movement of the scanner is rotatable, that is gantry. The picture shows the patient is lying on the table, is moving inside the gantry where the X-ray source and movable X-ray source and detectors arranged on the gantry. In order to examine the patient muscles, or organs can be examined by the computerized axial tomography. Summary: we discussed about CAT scanner history, definition, state need of CAT scanner, its principle. CAT scanner is patient lying on the table, which is moving inside the gantry to examine the organs or parts of a body or muscles, which is shown by the computer is examining, taking a pictorial representation. The CT scanner line diagram, which is consists of various blocks, we can see in the picture. The microcomputer, it is a dedicated microcomputer which is connected to the timing kilovolts plus milliamps control, which is connected to the high voltage source. The timing kV and milliamps control the high voltage source of X-ray tube. By using the data can be the high voltage source of supply which connected to the X-ray tube. The timing is controlled by the control bus. The high voltage supply given to the X-ray tube, which generates X-rays from the X-ray tube. The X-ray tube is mounted on the gantry, which is rotatable, and 1000 detectors are arranged around the gantry. The detectors are connected to the detector scanner, which is controlled, monitored and controlled by the dedicated computer through data bus. The X-ray tube position control can be controlled by the dedicated computer. The patient to be examined by using CAT scanner. The X-rays generates X-rays. It will take 2D and 2D images and 2D slices whenever the patient is lying in the gantry to examine their organs, the X-rays generated which projected on the organs of the patient, which observes little radiation, remaining energy transmitted targeted onto the detectors. The detector detects this X-radiations of photons energy and convert into electrical signal. Then the signal is converted into useful pictorial representation onto the output unit cathode ray tube. By using this output data, storage data, the pictorial representation of image can be done by the camera. The detail of each block seen in the next slide. CAT scanner consists of the following basic parts: timing kilovolts, milliamps control, high voltage supply, X-ray tube, detectors. The tube position control, microcomputer, CRT, camera. Timing kilovolts plus milliamps control. The timing anode voltage and beam currents are controlled by a computer through a control bus. Here I am once again repeating. The timing anode voltage and beam current are controlled by computer through a control bus. High voltage supply drives an X-ray tube that can mechanically rotated along with the circumference of gantry. So the high voltage supply which drives an X-ray tube that can be mechanically rotating along the circumference of gantry. X-ray tube, the patient is lying in a tube through a center of the gantry. The X-rays pass through the patient and are particularly observed. The patient is lying in a tube through the center of the gantry. The X-rays pass through the patient and are partially observed. Detectors, 1000 radiation detectors fixed around the circumference of the gantry. 1000 radiation detectors fixed around the circumference of the gantry. The detector's response is directly related to the number of photons impinging on it. The detector response is directly related to the number of photons impinging on it. A greater proportion of X-ray passing through the dense tissues are observed. A greater proportion of X-ray passing through dense tissues are observed. When they strike the detector, the X-ray photons are converted into scintillations. Tube position control. It controls the X-ray tube position with the help of computer. Microcomputer. The computer senses the position of X-ray tube and samples the output of the detector along a diameter the opposite to the X-ray tube. The computer senses the position of the X-ray and samples the output of the detector along a diameter the opposite to the X-ray tube. A calculation based on data obtained from a complete scan is made by the computer. CRT, cathode ray tube. The output unit then produces a visual image of a transverse plane cross section of the patient. The CRT is the output unit that then produces a visual image of a transverse plane cross section of the patient. Camera to produce hard copy record. Camera is used to produce a hard copy record. The present day CT machines can obtain slices in 1 to 2 seconds in high resolution, 5 to 10 seconds in precision modes. Quiz. CAT scanner used for clinical purpose, mechanical purpose, chemical purpose. The answer is clinical purpose. Summary. We have discussed about CAT scanner, various blocks of CAT scanner. Quiz. The timing kV plus milliamps are controlled by a compute through a control bus, data bus, control tube, none. Control bus. The answer is control bus. The high voltage DC power supply drives CRT, X-ray tube, computer, none. The answer is B is correct, X-ray tube. How many radiation detectors fixed around the circumference of the gantry? Dash. A. 1000, B. 1200, C. 1500, D. 2000. The answer is A is correct, 1000. Detectors are arranged. CT scanner invented by A. Rontgen, B. Compton, C. Godfrey Hounsfield. The answer is C is correct, Godfrey Hounsfield, who invented computerized axial tomography or simply CT scanner. The frequently asked questions in examination. 1. Draw the block diagram of CAT scanner. 2. Explain the working principle of CAT scanner. System components consist of CT scanners. One is scanning system, processing unit, viewing port, storage unit. So the system components are scanning system, processing unit, viewing port, storage unit. Scanning system includes X-ray source and detectors. Takes suitable readings for a fixture to be reconstructed. Various types of detectors used as photomultipliers, xenon detectors, scintillation detectors. Processing unit, which converts these readings into intelligible picture information by using different reconstruction methods. Once I am explaining processing unit which converts these readings into intelligible picture information by using different reconstruction methods, which are the methods which are back projection method, interactive method, analytical methods. Weaving part presents the information in visual form. The weaving part presents the information in visual form. Includes other manipulative aids to assist diagnosis. Storage unit. The information to be stored for subsequent analysis. Detectors. A stable system response is required for a good system response. The detector must have high overall efficiency, large dynamic range, very stable with time, insensitive to temperature variations. The three types of detectors most commonly used in CT scanners are xenon gas ionization detectors, scintillation photomultiplier detectors, solid state detectors. Three types of detectors used in computed tomography, CT scanner. One is scintillation crystal and photomultiplier, where it is having X-ray quantum is passing on to the light conductor, light quanta. Photocathode, parallel electrodes. The quantum yield 100%, input window 50%, radiation utilization 50% with stationary detector array. The X-rays passing onto the light detector, light conductors, light quanta, photocathode which collects this photons energy, then it is connected to the parallel electrodes. Xenon arc, xenon detectors. There is a special window for to receive the X-rays, then cathode, which collect the photons energy. Xenon gas filled detector, anodes. The feed through this arrangement in heat suitable for an array. Radiation utilization 54%, quantum yield 60%, input window 90%. The third one, scintillation arc, X-ray quantum, scintillation crystal. When X-rays radiations are falling on the scintillation crystals. The scintillations will be excited. They generates spark of lights which are passed on to this light is passed on to the photodiode. The light received to the photodiode, the light converted into electrical photon current signal. That signal is given to the signal processing device, which converts this X radiations into the scintillations, the scintillation light into the electrical signal. Here quantum yield 97%, input window 75%, radiation utilization 72%. These are three types of detectors used in computer tomography. Where xenon, scintillation, crystal, photomultiplier, and xenon gas ionization detectors, fan beam rotational scanners employ this detector. The chamber having an aluminum window is entirely filled with xenon gas. The X-ray enters the detector through a thin aluminum window. Only one gas is present, so that detector elements are under identical conditions of pressure and gas purity. The detector volume is separated into several hundred elements or cells. Detectors. The detector cells are defined by the thin tungsten plates. Every other plate is connected to common 500 volts power supply. The alternate plates are collector plates and are individually connected to electronic amplifiers. X-rays which enter the gas volume between the plates interacts with the xenon, thus producing positive ions and negative electrons. The positive voltage accelerates the ions to the collector plate and produces an electric current in the amplifier. The resulting current through the electrode is a measure of incident X-ray intensity. Advantages of xenon detectors: inherently stable detectors, operate the ionization mode rather than proportional mode. Small changes in the voltage and temperature produce no measurable change in the detector output. Can be packed closely. Inexpensive. Scintillation detectors. Scintillation detectors are made of sodium iodide, bismuth, germate, and cesium iodide crystals. The crystals transform the kinetic energy of secondary electrons into the flashes of light, which can be detected by photomultiplier. Disadvantages with the detector is the smallest available photomultiplier tube has a diameter of 12 mm. Hence, they are employed only in translation rotation and stationary detector arrays. Solid state detectors. Solid state detector use a single crystal CdWO4 or ceramic GD2O2S with photodiodes. They have higher efficiency in detecting X-ray photons. Summary: we discussed about various system components. Phase scanning system includes X-ray source and detectors, computers, CRT, none. The answer is A, detectors. Which system components to be stored for subsequently analysis? A, viewing pot, scanning system, storage unit. C, storage unit. D, none. C is correct answer, storage unit. Yes, the most commonly used detectors in CT scanning: xenon detector, solid state detector, scintillation detector, all of the above. The answer D is correct, all of the above. All the above. Yes, flashes of light are observed in xenon detector, solid state detector, scintillation detectors. D, none of the above. The answer is C is correct, scintillation detector. Ionization of gas takes place in xenon detector, solid state detector, scintillation detector. D, none of the above. The answer is A, xenon detector. Frequently asked questions. 1. Explain the system components in CAT scanner. 2. List the types of detectors. Quiz. Applications. Upon completion of the topic, the student will be able to know application of computed tomography. Applications are control nervous system, orthopedic and bone tumors, to determine thorax, abdomen and pelvis, to examine neck, radiotherapy, planning. Nervous system, central nervous system. CT has replaced the diagnostic techniques like cystoscopy and ventriculography. Reduced the need for arteriography and myelography. In brain scanning, contrast enhancement and dynamic imaging are highly helpful. CT strategy, CT stereotaxy is another invention for a diagnostic and therapeutic procedures in the brain without open surgery. Therapeutic procedures in brain without open surgery, like injuries, vascular lesions, oncology, degenerative diseases. Injuries. First line investigative procedure after plain radiography. It detects small bone injuries, the presence or absence, location, extent of bleeding, hematoma, hemorrhage, damage to the brain and ventricular system, vascular lesions, detecting arteriovenous malformations like angiomas, hemorrhage inside brain of non-traumatic causes, cerebral thrombosis or emergencies requiring CT imaging. Oncology. CT is used in the investigations of primary malignant lesions, orthopedic and bone tumors, examination of major joints, used for designing custom-made prostheses for limb conserving or preserving surgery both in bone tumors, used for traumatic fractures. Analysis of CT scans. Applications: thorax, abdomen, pelvis, neck, radiotherapy planning. Thorax. In the screening of high risk group for early detection of lung cancer. Conventional chest X-rays do not reveal a lesion, but sputum examination show malignant cells. In assessing malignant lesion of thyroid and larynx for planning surgical approach. In the evaluation of mass lesions. Abdomen and pelvis. Abdomen and pelvis, an important diagnostic tool both for diagnostic and therapy. It is used for scanning abdomen and pelvis for any malignancy. Neck. In assessing malignant lesions of thyroid and larynx for planning surgical approach. Radiotherapy planning. It is used routinely for radiotherapy planning systems. Is the scanning central nervous system used for brain scanning, heart scanning, lung scanning? None. The scanning of central nervous